You came here because you want to change me, right? The way I think. Whereas I want to change him
do you
the
like
way
that?
he thinks. I mean, what's the difference? So, you haven't heard anything?
No, not a word. Nothing in the post, and the farm wasn't rolled. I mean, why is she doing this to us?
Oh, no. Hopefully to do anything to think of.
By the way, he's going to be called Jack.
Jack?
No, it's not a name on the child.
I'm just going back.
Well, it's a child. I've always been happy.